Do you want to compare Dexscreener versus BullX? Then in this video, I'll show you their comparison and differences to each other. So we have in here our Dexscreener and we have in here our BullX. So on my opinion, I think BullX is better because of its good interface. So you can easily connect it with your Telegram. And once you have connected it into your Telegram, it will actually look like this, and you can see in here this handy buttons wherein you can add funds, withdraw, distribute, consolidate. You can also see in here your wallet at a glance. You can withdraw from in here, and you can also see in here your history. Meanwhile, your deck screener allows you to access it using the app as well, or as well as the web browser. So you can see it from in here. So you can click onto these three lines and you can see in here your watch list, gainers, and the likes. But on some cases, deck screener is better because they have moonshot, wherein they will actually help you to launch your own token. So it's actually based on which part or which function of it you need in order to determine which of those is best.